Hello and welcome to the User Games. In this video I am going to talk about all the features of TileSet generator version 0.3. When you first open the program, you will be greeted with this home panel which contains all the release notes for each update. It contains all the features implemented in each particular version. From home page you can also visit my various links. If you press this T button, it will open the tile editor section. From tile editing session, you can select which type of tile set you are creating. Currently, isometric tile set is not supported. After selecting tile set type, you have to select its size. Now it only supports 16, 32, 48 and 64 size tile set, but more flexible sizes are coming in future updates. After selecting new file property, you can press a new button to launch the tile editing menu. As you can see here, it includes the 9 tiles. To load a single image, you can press a tile and press load button to load that particular tile. If you want to combine different layers, you can select a tile and press edit option. This supports the 3 layer and each layer supports a rotation, flip and cutoff. After setting of values, press apply to generate tiles and press save to save that tile. If you want to add multiple tiles at the same time, it's also supported. You can just press load all button and select multiple images. To load multiple, just make sure all tile has different numbers ranging from 1 to 9. After loading of tiles, press to Wang button to generate Wang tile sets. You can export Wang tile sets only in PNG format currently. Press to Blob to generate Blob tile set. After generating Blob tile set, press export button to export it. In export window, if you want to export it to PNG, just press PNG in left side, then give file name as well as the file location and press export button. Now PNG of TileSet is saved. If you want to export it to Godot, press Godot button in left side, then give the file name as well as the file location. It will create a folder containing png file, .import file and .tileset resources. To use in the Godot, just copy folder to root directory of your project. After that, you can move it anywhere you like. Thank you for watching till last. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any new feature requests, just comment below. I'll surely include it in future updates. Thanks again.